50.
RJ.
He goes, I don't know whether to
RJ,
be scared or
why are you always talking?
Hey, Jimmy. Look.
Okay, so what is up? New day here at the shop, of course, obvious. So today we got a few things planned. Get out of here, RJ. No one likes you. And yeah, so Draper is here. Stop throwing stuff. Draper is here today. Draper, what's up? Shout yourself out.
How you doing? You know, your boy Drizzy Drape here.
I'll put it right here. So Draper's the OG homie. He helped out a lot when we did the LS swap in the Z, if you guys remember. And Draper is now on his YouTube tattooing grind. So Draper's always been an artist, and he's been going heavy with it lately. He proposed the idea of throwing some ink down.
We're gonna get a nice little tat on him today. What did you say? You said you wanted well, he doesn't know what he wants.
We don't know what he wants.
Most of you guys wanted the pineapple. I kind of want to do the pineapple, but I kind of want to do something original.
I don't know if I'm ready for the pineapple today. That's gonna be like a big monumental one, but I think Draper right here is gonna tat up me and Donald, so me and Donald get something fun.
We're gonna get him an OG Drape piece.
All right,
that's it.
So what we also have going on is Jip is actually here working on his car. Surprise, huh, Bighorn? And so Bighorn actually got his E36 down here right now, and if you guys don't remember, he got it towards the end of last season, like very end, so it's kind of been parked, but his car was kind of like mine. He got it, it was pretty beat up when he got it. He just happened to have a lot of eBay parts on it. We've been slowly converting it back to like nice OEM stuff, and it looks just like my car. It's kind of funny, so let's go peep it. Alright, you guys ready? Sorry about the wind noise, I apologize in advance, but there she is. Looks just like my car, just as beat up, but this was, I think what happened was someone bought this as a parts car because they lost the title. They found the title and threw it back together, and Bighorn got it for cheap, so. Still looking for a hood. He needs all the M3 trim shit. We gotta replace the rear bumper because it's fiberglass and looks like junk. Has an M3 wing, so that's cool, but I mean, this is Hellrot red, mine's Brilliant red, so it looks somewhat similar, but we'll get it right. What we're gonna be doing today is coilovers. Though it looks like it's low, it's just on some shitty springs that are actually just blown. So we're just gonna throw some coils on it, nice and easy, and let's go bother Jip. What are you doing?
I'm off of it. I need the jack stands under it.
Oh my god.
ET perfect.
Jip, what's your game plan for today?
Mess with exhaust. Hopefully get exhaust dialed, but I'm not too confident.
All right, so on the budget hatch, the frame rail end caps were actually patched, but they used like some thick ass steel, and now the exhaust hits it really heavy. So Jip's job is to try and make it fit a little better, so this exhaust will fit a little bit higher because it kind of drags.
It will drag. It's like that much off the ground, and my car's not even that low right now.
I thought you were about dragging.
I mean, like I'll drag it, but like not like that.
Jip still got to order the map sensor so we can get the sync speed density, but that's a whole nother story.
All this. So like, what is that? Now you got, you know, some grips, power supplies, some needles, some gloves, some tattoo stuff. Gotta have the ink. Gotta have the ink.
All right, guys. So we literally have no idea what we're doing. Draper just showed up, and I think we've figured out what is going to happen right now.
So what we're gonna do? We're gonna do alien tattoo. I just like completely jumped the gun there.
There we go.
Come out pretty nice.
So I'm making Donald get it with me.
Donald's gonna get it too.
Coffee in my hand. Yeah.
How does that always begin? Oh,
Yeah, right. Oh my god.
every single time.
For real.
Oh my god. Just working the throttle. Right there. Look how bouncy that thing is. Woo! Okay, we're good. We're good. Not bad, Bighorn. Look at this bumper. All right. What are we doing?
Coils. Coils today. Hopefully get to the rear bumper. M3, thanks to Bobby.
Bobby G, 1, 2, 3.
Follow Bobby G.
And, all right.
Oil change.
Oil change. All right, let's get to work. All right, guys. Draper says it's officially drawn up.
Ready to go.
Ready to go?
No, I don't even want them to see it yet.
You don't want to see it?
Nope, they'll see the finished product.
Okay. All right. I'm going first, right then, Donald? Here it is.
I'm hard.
Oh, it just got like 10 degrees hotter in here, is it me?
And I get to shave them too.
Let's hope one of your beanbag falls out.
Luckily, we still got that Dollar Shave hookup, so we're about to shave it right. This better be warm water. Oh, it's cold water! What a scumbag! He was going with the grain. You gotta go against the grain. Nice close shave. There we go. What is this?
I'll get you nice and lubed up, ready to go.
Ooh-wee. Oh, that was nice. Ow!
He's like, I didn't even start.
You don't even have any.
That's what she's
Okay.
Go over
We're getting there.
We're getting there.
The higher he goes up, the more it hurts. It's like what the hell?
What a shock.
It's not bad though. We're getting there. How are the guys doing on the E36?
Let's go check it out. All right, what's over here?
Nothing.
A car, a red car. It's currently getting coilovers.
That's it.
That's
That's it? That's the only update?
We're moving front strut brace. The front strut brace helps create more stiffness, more drifting, less body roll.
We're taking the brace off, and then they're working on the front strut to get it out, put the coilover in.
All right.
Get an 18.
You're
Push harder, why don't you? I'm getting like slowly more slouched. I'm gonna end up laying down like
casting couch right here.
Exactly.
fuck me.
Is that a joint in his mouth?
Yo, Jip, when he's done, just fucking slap him. He's like,
Nah, I gotta bless that shit.
Nice and red. Look at the red accent around it. All right. So we were gonna go with it abducting a pineapple, but I think we're gonna save the pineapple. I think we're gonna save that. Do some like really like big extravagant pineapple. Get Archie with it. We're gonna keep this one kind of funny. And I think
This was a very low commitment tattoo. We're not going for fucking Michelangelo quality. You know, make it look good and have fun with it.
we're having fun. So
Oh, I swear I didn't mean to swear.
no, it's okay. Oh, he's getting high now. He's getting high with it. So we're gonna have it abducting something else, and I think we picked it out.
Look at these big ass.
Unnecessary.
Woo.
Came to the rescue.
Then we got these.
Wait, we can eat those.
Jimmy came to the rescue.
Yo, we can eat those. I saw Brian Scotto on Hoonigan eat one.
Bet. You want to try one with me?
Bighorn is putting in work. Bolting up now. He's got the fresh and new brakes. I need these. Look at the drilled and swatted. Hey.
Drilled and swatted.
What was that?
Drilled and swatted.
That's good.
It's like right in the middle. I
It's
don't know.
perfect.
Right in the middle is perfect. Beautiful Draper. We're going with the duck.
A goose.
A goose.
That's perfect.
Love it. Ew! Ow, I forgot. Sorry, I twitched. I'm getting a goose tattooed onto my leg right now. I should have got an anchor or a feather,
but it's whatever.
but it's whatever. It's nothing.
Yeah.
What a beautiful goose.
I really like the goose.
Looks like a pigeon.
It does look like a pigeon.
Yeah, but I'm a goose.
All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I want Face Tats, Tommy's best friend, to give me a pineapple tattoo because I love his style so much, and he'll make it all like crazy intricate. But I'm so pumped on this right now.
I like the little ducky.
It's a goose.
Goose, pigeon.
It's a pigeon.
Little pigeon.
Duck, goose. He made the neck a little thick, so it kind of looks like a chicken, but I'm about it.
Pigeon, chicken.
Oh, that bird! Stop it!
Hey, calm down. Calm down.
Look at my white, thick thighs, guys.
Some thunder thighs.
Get out of here. Cluck, cluck.
How do you feel?
Feel great. I love it. You ready for Donald's?
You gotta shake his hand or something.
I was getting shaved up real quick. Look at the little leg. Looks like my forearm. There it is.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
I'm so Oh, that's not bad, man.
That's not the top.
Oh, that's cake compared to the ribs.
Go harder.
I was just being a puss. Damn, he went straight on that line. Straight for it. Did you guys get it out yet?
We're trying.
We're trying? All right, get Jib's big old booty on there.
Double D ass looking at me.
Come on.
Dude's looking at me bouncing.
I got you as a brace.
Tag team me. Tag team me. Got him.
Yeah, I went to Slovak kid named Harvick.
Oops.
Harvick?
Yeah, straight up.
That's
There we go.
awesome. Copy paste. Hey. Pull out the fresh. Oh, they bumped it,
This is going way faster on DJ's little legs.
He's not a little bitch.
True.
Oh, you had to do like 8 passes on mine.
Yeah, cause dude, everybody's skin takes ink different.
Got tree trunks.
You know, it just
Fronts are finally done. That's the hard part. Nice job. The rears are coming on now. It's just 1 bolt on the bottom, 2 on top. It's super easy, so we can bang this out really quick. Now, the height difference probably won't be too much different than he had before, but it's kind of just upgrading the suspension, and he has new wheels for it, and they're so sick. We're gonna put those on later in the week when the tires show up.
Yes.
And I'm super excited.
I can't wait.
There it is.
I went so fast.
It took like
It happened what? Less than an hour.
We just did it to tournament.
I think mine took 3 times as long.
dude, yours it was hard getting it in on yours.
I got some thick skin.
Jimmy was a virgin. It's his first time.
Goose boys.
Goose boys.
There it is, guys.
Finish.
Finished. Goose gang.
Goose gang.
My girdle's a little thicker than DJ's, so
It's a little boy.
They're married to each
that's
other.
awesome. Shout out to Draper. Of course, guys, go check him out on his Instagram, on his YouTube channel, because he filmed the whole process too. So if you want to see a second angle of me crying, go check it out. I'll put the link in the description. But Draper, thank you so much, homie.
Thank you, buddy.
I'm so excited.
Thank you.
Let me pull my pants up.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mom. So this is a rear spring setup. It's just a spring bucket. So there's a shock right here, and then of course the bucket that holds the spring. If you guys remember when I did it. Now with E36s, you just slam them. Just instantly slam them. We could be Ricer fuckboys and
Yeah.
slam them instantly. Who cares? It'll give you that nice height. So with drifting, when you squat, the BMW is in the rear. It balances the car a lot better and it feels a lot smoother. So you want the rear to sit low. It's done.
I hit a bump, the whole entire car went left or right. It was so bad.
There she is, guys. Another E36. We dropped down some BCs. Now, as you can tell, we bottom out the rears, and it's not even that low. See, that's like a very, very nice conservative stance.
Yes.
Now they gotta break in. Not bad. I think it's about that time when I finally sand the letters down on the valve cover. Gonna tape it up and get the town sanding. Fun stuff. McDonald's looking ass valve cover. I should just keep it like that. It'd be beautiful. Took her out for a few spins. How's she feel? Way better?
Oh, so much better.
Does it feel like a whole different car now?
Oh yeah. Guy just tweaked the suspension, maybe bring it up a little bit, just a hair.
Yeah, because you got some meaty tires on there right now. Oh yeah, you're tucking right here. It looks good though.
Yeah, maybe with the new wheels.
Yeah, you won't even. Yeah. So yeah, that's awesome. Probably makes the whole car feel like a different car.
Oh yeah, so much better.
Just you guys wait until we get the new wheels on. It's gonna look so good. One's gonna do oil change real quick. I'm still sanding this away. Got to be careful because you don't want to like break through the painter's tape and then start sanding your valve cover. Looks like ass. So almost there. Got the Nissan logo. Working on these, and we're gonna hit it with some 320 to polish it up a little bit, and we should be all set. Make it a mess. I don't really care too much for like the little vibrating sander. It's nice because it's square and flat, but it leaves it leaves like these like furry little jagged lines. But you can take tape off, see how it looks, and hopefully I didn't burst. Hopefully it didn't come out like shit. I made my engine bay even dustier.
Look at all that.
So bad.
Look at all that dust.
Donald knows about that dust.
I don't know nothing about that dust. That a girl. Look at that.
There it is. The whole engine bay is so filthy now. Like, now it just look at
That dust.
I like it.
Yeah, that looks sharp.
There it is. You guys asked, I delivered. There. It's not bad. It's a little toasty. It's not bad. DJ's on the new valve cover on with the new hardware. He got the same hardware I got in the Z. Nice stainless. It looks really good. Same valve cover, same hardware. Copycat. Nah, it looks way better with the letters. He had a shaped one before, and I don't know.
Some people like it, some people hate it. I'm either way.
I think it looks way better. It's snowing out. Ew. What the hell? You see it? Bye, Bighorn. Later. Wee. Alright, let's push this inside. Ew, it's snowing outside. I'm so over it.
Dude, that is snow.
Well guys, today me and DJ got a dumbass tattoo that we both love and I couldn't be more excited about it. Huge shout out again to my buddy Draper. Make sure you go check out his channel. He's an awesome dude. He's been one of my good friends for a really long time. And I'm so pumped he was able to do my first tattoo. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be upset that I didn't do a pineapple. And we were gonna integrate the pineapple into this design, but we figured it wasn't time for it. Honestly, I really want to have face tattoo the pineapple because I really love his style, so I gotta talk to him about that, but whatever, we'll get that done soon enough. But that's it for today. It's a fun day at the shop, and parts are gonna soon be coming in, and I'm so excited to finally get that freaking SR together and get my goddamn coupe back together, and DJ's also. So you guys know the deal. Grab yourself some merch on our website. I'll put the link in the description, help out with all the builds, because I know this one really needs it. But like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and Donald,
Have a great fucking night.